Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Oman, that is Shakun, Sagunam in Tamil. In Prasanna astrology, Shakun is given a lot of importance. What do you mean by Shakun? Is when you start doing something, you get an good positive sign, a positive note is called Shakun. But there are a lot of Shakun, like if a cat cuts you away, it's not good. All other things are there, but I actually believe few, but I don't believe all, because I don't believe on cat cutting my way will give me bad omen. But I have experienced a few things. Whenever I go for an important work, sometimes my car would have been punctured. Okay, after but I don't stop going at it, but still I change my car wheel and then I move around from that place and go to that particular point. I may not meet the people who I want, or the thing will not happen positively as I think. So these things happen sometime. Okay, one of my best experience, what I'll say, is once I went to North India tour, which is Muktinath. Okay, Muktinath, we went a tour where we went in a local train from our place to the main railway station, central station, where the electric train, means the EMU, was stopped in the way, and it for half an hour or so it didn't move. So we had to get down from the train and we took an auto and we rushed to the station. The train just left the platform, but our travelers pulled the chain, stopped the train, and we entered into the train. We went to Muktinath. Our flight was cancelled due to bad weather. Then we had to hire car and go there. So all these things were not happening smoothly, but we took a lot of pain and struggle, and we completed the trip and came back to Chennai. So what was that main point was, when we started from house, our car was punctured. Okay, so this kind of thing, it doesn't block your way, but yes, it affects the journey. So how come we came through is, we had a positive approach. We were very positive that okay, we have to complete this trip, and at no cost we gave up. So that was the main reason on a successful return of the trip. So omens are up to us how we take it up. Okay, be positive, but be careful. When some negativity happens, you have to be very careful in each and every step you move around from there. You can't take it for granted. So that is why it's a small indication given by the nature to you. So this trip is not going to be a smooth trip to you. You have to be very careful. We had problem in accommodation in that trip. We had a problem in visa for Nepal, because we went to see Everest in a flight. So we had all sort of problem in that particular trip. But still we completed that other story, but we had a problem. So omens come to you to just warn that there is something, you're going to face a hurdle in fulfillment of your dream or your work, or something which you start at that particular point of time. In my childhood, I used to hear a story. Okay, a priest who had a lot of faith in God, was in a temple. The place was heavily raining, and the water was logging till a hip level in the road. So people on that way who passed out from that village to a safer zone called him, "Please come." He said that, "No, I will not come. Only if God comes and save me, I will come, because I have done a lot of prayer to Him. He will come and save me." After some time, the water level raised and it went to his neck level. At that particular time, a boat came to rescue him. He said, "No, I'm not going to come with you. God has to come and save me, because I have done a lot of pujas and prayer to Him." Finally, when he was sitting on the gopur of terrace of the temple, a helicopter came to rescue him. He said, "No, I'm not going to come." And end of the day, he died. Okay, and he was very angrily questioning the God. I was so much faithful to you, I was so much devoted to you, but you killed me. So the God said, you are stupid, you are fool. I came as a fellow villager to call you, you didn't come. I sent a boat, you didn't come. I sent a helicopter, you didn't come. It's not that I can physically come and take you away. You have to, we will just show you the way. You have to come out. So that is how omens are shown. There will be just a line. You have to take the line seriously and catch up and come out of that particular point. The nature or the God, whatever you feel like, will just show you a sign. It's up to you to analyze it, see what it is, and decide what to do, how to do, and do it safe and get successful. Okay, it may be good or bad only on our decision and our approach and our call. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button next to my subscription button to get my regular updates. Thank you. Bye bye.